Hello, I am Thais. I'm an English teacher from Brazil and I live in Salvador, the capital of Bahia. Okay? We are located in this state over here, and this is Salvador. And our state is kind of the size of France, and we have got a very large population. So, this video is to explain the project of the National Geographic Educator Certificate, and I am really proud to introduce this using the National Geographic map because this is a personal resource that I can use for myself. And during my lesson, I've decided to work with the mapped resource and also the 3 R's: reduce, recycle, and reuse in class. And my students, they are 5 and 6 years old, okay? And I am working also with private lessons in buildings in Salvador, and we have a small group of only 3 students, so we could really go deeper in this topic, okay? So the first part of our lesson was a conversation. We started with the circle time, and I was asking, where does the trash go? What's the journey of the trash? Okay? And kids, they were really excited about this topic. They could already elicit they could already remember their own knowledge about the topic, and also they have discovered the importance of the landfill in cities. Okay, so using the book of the 3 R's, we could talk about the importance of reusing the clothes and the toys, and also reducing the use, for example, of plastic cups, and also the plastic plates. We could take these from our home, okay? And also the importance of recycling, okay? So in this moment, we share our own thoughts about recycling and also landfills, and we could sort the trash that we brought from our own home into categories. So the kids were really excited to role play the truck. So we have been using toys in this lesson, and also this plastic truck. It was very important to kind of transport all the trash into the landfill. And we did a pile of trash, and the kids were impressed with this really small scale of trash. But then, in the end of this first moment, we really could visit the trash house from their own building, which is kind of a big house full of trash, and they also do recycling over there. So we could go inside, and kids were really excited about this moment. After this experience, the kids themselves decided to collect the trash from the street using their own hands. And I told them, okay, so let's choose only paper, only plastic, so we can have a little bit of a control of this process. And they were really excited. So I think that the impact of a lesson using real trash and real places to visit makes them feel aware of their local scale. And using the map, like the mapped resource, I could show that in Brazil we have a large footprint, and that means that the most part of our trash and our population, it's really concentrated in the urban areas of the country. And this was important to start the second moment of the lesson, which was create a map. Kids, they have got a large picture of Bahia and also styrofoam and pins like this. So I gave them a list with 43 cities in our state that have landfills. So they were really learning about geography in a local way, but thinking globally, because the use of the mapping resource could show them that it's not only in Brazil that we face this situation, okay, of having a few landfills. In other parts of the world, they also have this problem. So then the importance of working with kids and really putting their hands on, this hands-on approach, so they could feel empowered. They could really feel, okay, so this is my state and we have only a few landfills, and they could really understand the importance of having more opportunities to treat the trash decently. And also, they have been talking about problem solving since the beginning of the lesson. So why not we recycle this object instead of throwing away? Why not we reuse this t-shirt and create a different print? This was one of the purpose of the lesson, and I think that furthermore I could explore taking kids out of their own building and showing them the recycle system in our town.